Greetings everyone, and welcome to this video on input options and output for binary classification and the diagnosticity of a test. Building on the previous video, we will now consider input options and have a look at the output. Since this is a Bayesian binary classification, we also have the option to change our priors. A prior is any piece of data or information that we previously might have, and after running a Bayesian analysis, we get posterior data which updates our beliefs. In this case, we do not have any prior data regarding our new test, hence we can leave the priors in their default options as set by the software. The confusion matrix provides us with a table which portrays the actual positive and negative values as well as the test values. The priors and posteriors table which will provide us with the prior and posterior values as discussed previously. Now coming to the plots, the probability positive plot provides us with a plot of the probability that the condition is positive given whether the test result was positive or negative. The icon plot provides us with a graphical representation of the true positive, true negative, false positive and false negative values. The ROC curve, also known as the receiver operating characteristic curve, provides us with a graphical representation which plots sensitivity against specificity. It is a visual representation of the diagnosticity of a test. The test characteristics by threshold plot provides us with a graphical representation which plots sensitivity and specificity change as a function of test threshold. The PPV and NPV by prevalence plot shows how the positive predictive value and the negative predictive value change as a function of prevalence when the test characteristics are kept constant. The alluvial plot is another visualization that offers insight into the example. And the last important plot is the estimates plot, which provides the estimates for the given values with 95% credible intervals. We can select any data which we might want to load onto the graph right here. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.